Hello kids! How are you all? Doing good? Lovely. Are you all enjoying the phonic sound of letter U? Yes, good children. Words with U sound. Let us read aloud. Up family words. Cub, cub, dub, dub. HUB says hub, hub. The next word is RUB, which says rub, rub. The next word is tub, tub. Let's look at unwords. What new other words they have? Family says bun, bun. For fun. Gun, G-U-N, gun. Pun, pun. R-U-N says run, run. And the last one you all know, it's sun, sun. Let us look at family words. But, cut, hut. J-U-T says jut and N-U-T says nut. Let's look at family words. The first word is bud. Let's read C-U-D together. It says cud, mud. Let's read family words. Hug means gale milna. Jug, lug, L-U-G says lug. Mug, rug. And the last word of family is tug. Let's look at family words. U-N-M together says G-U-M, gum. H-U-M, hum, mum. Some. Let's read family words. The first word is cup, pup. And the next word is sup. Upwards are cup, pup and sup. Okay children, I hope you all had great time reading along with me. Yes? And this way we have learned so many new words also. Keep reading them and revising them. Now it's time for me to say goodbye and see you again. Bye-bye.